Salespeople, here's an old concept that might be more important now than ever. Time blocking. What is it? It's the act of protecting time on your calendar to do that deep, focused work. If you're an outbounder, it's, say, cold calling. And right now it matters more than ever. Have you ever had more distractions? So how do you do it right? Coordinate as a team. Everyone blocks the same time. This is easy if you're on an SDR team of outbounders. When everyone's in the same zone, it makes it easier to actually get it done. Leaders, you need to enforce this. Make these hours sacred and tell the company they're not to be interrupted. Come prepared. Don't show up to, say, a call block without leads to call. Shut it all down. Slack, Teams, tabs, notifications, gone. 100% focused on the activity at hand. Last, reflect when you're done. Enjoy the endorphins when you finish that block. That's it. Time blocking, old school, still undefeated.